Hi everyone, how are you all? I believe you are all keeping well. Welcome back to the world of English. In our previous session, we have already done with the VVS Lakshman very special part 1, and in today's session, we are going to deal with the rest of the part of reading C from unit 2. Okay, let's begin it. When you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the number one site? It is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which had come in 1 year. It all started in early 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became the captain. So, when the sports star questions or poses the question, when VVS Lakshman looks back, what were the reasons for India becoming the number one? Okay, he asks, what were the reasons for India becoming number one in cricket? Okay, so VVS Lakshman answers that it is important to remember that it is not a sudden transformation, sudden change. Okay, it all started early 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became the captain. Okay. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav, my first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni. They all led by example. Everyone was a true performer and all of them had traits of leadership. So VVS Lakshman says that he was lucky enough to play under Saurav, Sachin and MS Dhoni, and they all led, you know, by example. They were the great examples for him. Okay, and he also says each one of them were a true performer and all of them had the traits of leadership, features of leadership. Okay, how different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain? I must say that the combination of Saurav and coach John Wright was influential in changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. For it was then that we started doing well consistently, especially abroad. So, the next question that was posed to VVS Lakshman was, how different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain? And VVS Lakshman says that the combination of Saurav and their coach John Wright were very influential in changing their mindset, changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. Okay, and from there that they started doing well, especially abroad. Okay. And we had some amazing talented individuals with the hunger for success who played with a great pride, worked really hard, and showed great commitment levels. Okay, so he also says um, they also had a very young talented individuals as part of their cricket team who always worked really hard and showed lot of commitment towards the cricket. Okay, and they always had the hunger for success. Fine. So when the sports person, sports star questions VVS Lakshman about how different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain, he says the combination of Saurav and coach John Wright were very influential in changing the mindset of the Indian cricket team, right? And VVS Lakshman also says that they had some amazing talented individuals who had lot of hunger for success and played with a lot of uh, hard work and showed lot of commitment. Okay. What has been your funniest incident on the field? Well, with a big smile, when I and Saurav collided while taking a single in an oval ODI. It is still amusing and embarrassing when I look back as to how it could have happened. So, when the sports star asks what has been the funniest incident on the field, then VVS Lakshman, with a big smile on his face, he says, when he and Saurav collided, hit each other, and where Saurav loses his bat, he drops a bat and he is run out. Okay, so VVS Lakshman, whenever he thinks of it, he feels embarrassed and it's very amusing for him, and he thinks how it could have happened. When he thinks of it, he just looks back and he thinks of it how it had happened. Okay, here is a small video clipping of it, you can just watch it. Fine.
Parmesan to Ganguly. Out! The most ridiculous mess-up you'll ever see. Ganguly rightly is raging mad. England are rippling with joy, and the Indian captain is heading back to the hutch.
Was a total comedy of errors. It wasn't really a very good run. It almost looked as if Ganguly was rather keen to get off strike. Unfortunately, VVS Lakshman is a rather wide target, and he left Ganguly way short. And who was it who threw down the stumps? That man, Flintoff again.
So let's run it by you again. The stolen single by Ganguly is fine until VVS doesn't bother to look where he's going, and Freddie Flintoff does.
What was the most disappointing moment for you? There was nothing like that, but I would feel terribly disgusted whenever I dropped a catch. I would feel sorry for the bowler who puts in such a great effort and the chance is floored. That hurt me the most. So when the sports star asks what was the most disappointing moment in VVS Lakshman's life, and VVS Lakshman says that there is nothing sort of that, but he feels terribly disgusted or uncomfortable whenever he misses a catch, because he knows, being a cricketer, he knows how a bowler with lot of effort he throws the ball, right? So he says he really feels sorry for the bowler when he misses a catch. Do you understand? What are your hobbies? I love to spend time with my family members. It gives you so much of peace. I do love reading biographies of successful individuals, for they help us know how they handle the different aspects in life and in sport. So the sports starts. Another question is that what were the hobbies of VVS Lakshman? So VVS Lakshman says that he loves to spend time with the family members. Okay, and it gives him so much of peace when he spends time with the family, and he too loves reading biographies of successful individuals. Okay, because they help us know how to handle different aspects in life and how to achieve goals in life. Okay, you are a complete family man now, Outside, you are a celebrity, and at home, a normal, caring father. I'm lucky to have such a wonderful, well knit family with a wonderful wife. And it's a great feeling to see the kids grow up so fast. It's a real joy to be with them. So the sports star says, okay, for outsiders, VVS Lakshman is a celebrity, but at home, he is a father, he is a son, and he is a husband. Okay, he is a son for his parents, okay, father for his children, and husband for for his wife, right? So he says he is very happy to have such a wonderful family with a wonderful wife. Okay, and he also feels so happy to see his children grow in front of him as adults. Okay, and it's a real joy to be with them. He says he really finds a lot of joy being or in the company of his family. Who are the cricketers whom you admire? In my early days, Azad, well, Sachin is such a role model in every aspect. Kapil was a great inspiration too. So when the sports star asks, okay, the cricketers whom he admires, and VVS Lakshman says that in his early days, he just admired Azad, and well, and he has lot of respect, and he takes a role model, Sachin. Okay, he takes Sachin as his role model in every aspect, and Kapil was a great inspiration for him too. Okay, what is your favorite cuisine? I'm a vegetarian. I love to taste all sorts of dishes. Thai cuisines are my favorite. So the sports star asks VVS Lakshman what were his favorite cuisines. Cuisines are, a style of cooking food. Okay, food cooked in a different style. Okay, so VVS Lakshman answers that he is a pure vegetarian and he loves to taste all sorts of dishes, and the Thai cuisines are his favorite. Okay, he loves Thai cuisines. What kind of music do you normally listen to, and who are your favorite singers? It's clear, right? The sports star asks VVS Lakshman's favorite singers, okay, and the music that he listens. Then VVS Lakshman answers, India has been very fortunate to have seen so many great musicians and singers, and I love listening to Kishore Kumar and our own SP Balasubramaniam, with whom I fortunately enjoy a special personal relationship. So VVS Lakshman says that India is blessed with so many great musicians and singers. Among them, he loves listening to Kishore Kumar and SP Balasubramaniam, with whom he shares a personal relationship. Okay. Which TV programs do you love to watch? Generally, I don't miss any big sporting events, and Wimbledon is one such that I love to watch without fail. And with the family members, I do enjoy watching the singing and dancing competition programs. I'm amazed at the talent actually. So when the sports star asks which TV program VVS Lakshman love to watch, or he watches, and VVS Lakshman answers generally he doesn't miss any sports events. He doesn't miss any sports events, and Wimbledon is one such that. And along with the family members, he also enjoys watching singing and dancing competitions, and he just admires the talent of the individual. Okay. Who was your childhood hero? Childhood and current hero, it is my dad. I owe everything to him. So the sports star asks, the childhood hero of VVS Lakshman? And VVS Lakshman answers, childhood as well as current hero is his dad. Okay, he says he owes everything to him. He owes everything to him. What does it mean, owe? Meaning of owe is to be obliged to give something to someone. Okay, you are indebted. So VVS Lakshman says that he owes everything to his father. Okay, what is that you miss by being a cricketing celebrity? I never thought of myself as a big cricketer. It is always nice to be with my family. My wife has all the qualities I look for. I have two wonderful kids and I am blessed to have such a family. So when the sports star asks, okay, do you miss anything by being a celebrity in cricket? And VVS Lakshman so humbly he says that he never thinks himself as a big celebrity or big cricketer. Okay, and he says that he is always happy with the family. It is always nice to be with his family, which means he spends a lot of time being with his family. That's what even in previous one of the questions answered, VVS Lakshman says that he spends a lot of time his hobbies. Okay, because by spending his time with the family he finds a lot of joy and peace. Okay, and he also speaks about his wife, that his wife possesses all the qualities that he looks for, and he is blessed with two wonderful kids, and he is so happy with his family. Okay, have you given thought to post retirement plans? Well, I have a dream to set up a school and an academy. I'm confident of realizing this big dream. So the sports star asks or inquires about his post retirement plans, and VVS Lakshman tells that he has a big dream of setting up. The meaning of setting up is to establish or establishing a school and an academy. Okay, related to sports, right? So, and he is very confident that he is going to realize it. He is going to bring his dream in reality. Okay, so finally we end up our unit 2 reading C. VVS Lakshman, very special, and I believe we have enjoyed the interview of VVS Lakshman. Have you? Fine. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.